look what I got from Teddy Blake, New York. I was sent one of their bags and I am so excited. So this is how it opens up. It's made in Italy. It's luxury leather. This is the unboxing. I wanted you guys to be a part of the official unboxing of the purse, so I haven't even gotten to see it yet. So it comes in its own little dust bag right here, Teddy Blake, New York. And this is what it looks like. Ta-da! Isn't it beautiful? So it's just a really small one, which is what I wanted. They asked me which one I wanted to pick, so that's what I chose. Opens like that. And then inside you have the straps. And then all the paper. So guys, for this try-on haul, I'm going to be showcasing this purse a lot so you can really see what it looks like with different outfits, which is really important. It's got a zipper inside, so you can put your credit cards, your different visas, things like that. Nice and spacious inside. It's got a little holder in here to put like your lip gloss, keys, etc. And then inside is where it's at. And it feels so luxurious. I can just tell you right now, it feels so luxurious. Okay, so this is how you open it up, which I absolutely love. And then inside, there's the interior. So beautiful. Is there anything you want to put in? And then the interior is so nice. It's like a suede. And you can definitely feel the leather. The leather is just such a good quality. Like, all right, and so to close it, you just slip these back in here. And that's how you close it. And then it's got a zipper on the other side too, so you can put something else in. I just love this purse so much. And this is part of their Ava collection. So they have all kinds of different sizes of purses. Gotta put the straps on. Alright, so here is the strap. You also get this really cool thing with the strap that I'm gonna put on right here. It's like this little lock. And then in here, I think you can put your information if you want to, in case it gets lost ever, God forbid. And then here we go. Just slips into there. And then you can use it as a crossbody, which is the way I'm probably going to use it. Or you can just use it on your shoulder. Like that. Super cute. Or this way if you want that way. And of course you can also just hold it like this without the straps. Hey everyone, so I just wanted to let you know that I'm not sponsored, but I did receive this purse for free from Teddy Blake so that I could show off their luxurious, beautiful purse. And I also will have a discount code for $30 off on the link in my bio, so please just take a look at that. And also, there's a Labor Day sale up to 70% off going on right now. Now I wanted to let you guys know that usually bags that are made like this is the same as a Louis Vuitton or a Chanel bag, go for at least $1,000 to $2,000, and these are all less than $1,000 to $2,000. They have a team of Italian designers pitched from well-known luxurious brands. Teddy Blake creates handbag designs for every style choice. So if you don't see your Teddy Blake yet, subscribe to Teddy Blake. They release new collections every month. Their designers work very hard to develop new, unique designs while also trying to keep the price point to affordable levels. Enjoy the luxurious feel and smell of real leather, as all Teddy Blake bags are made with luxurious leather from Italy's finest pelletteries, dyed and treated to withstand the rest of time and maintain a luxurious look. Impossible to democratize luxury? No. Teddy Blake makes it possible by offering designer handbags with all the key characteristics of any high and luxury houses and removing the $1,000 to $2,000 added to the handbags just for the label. With Teddy Bag, you enjoy luxury at a fair price always. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to be using this in the try-on haul as well, so you'll get to see the purse with different outfits. Alright, here is the first outfit that I got. Most of these are all from Fashion Nova, if not all of them. This is the first one I got for Greece. I absolutely love it. It's got like a mesh exterior, but then it's lined all the way through. Ties at the back. Very, 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 very comfortable. This gives major Greece vibes. And then if you look at my sandals, I got these from Vince Camuto. I thought these were so cute. They're tie-up, they're flat. They're really, really comfortable. They have like a mesh type of padding in the bottom. So yeah, this is my first outfit. Let's look at it with the purse. Look at that with the purse. That is so gorgeous. Alright, next outfit. Here's the next one. This one was more for like a night out, to go out to one of their beautiful diners or one of their beautiful restaurants in Greece. I absolutely love it. Then I got these Grecian shoes to go with it. I just thought they looked so cute to go with the dress and with multiple outfits. This is the back. And then the side. I loved how it had the stitching through here and the detail, and it was only like $20. It goes well with the purse as well. You can wear pink with pretty much everything. Alright, so this is the next one that I got. I just absolutely love the velvet feel to it. All of the rose etching is velvet. And then this is a mesh and it has a line. The purple is mesh with a lining that goes through it. Another one from Fashion Nova. And most of these are in large. And then there I'm wearing these shoes again. I just think these look the cutest and they look so perfect for Greece. Alright, and here I am in something comfortable. This would be for sightseeing and going to different coliseums and things that we're going to go do. I'll cut that out. This is the side profile and then the back. Alright, so obviously I love these details here, the line, and then like this sleekness right here. It just really cinches the waist and makes it sit super nice. I put these sneakers on there from Puma. They're very, very comfortable. And those will be perfect to go sightseeing in because they are known for their comfort. And I love this color too. It's just such a beautiful color. So it brings out my eyes. And yep, this is exactly what I would wear to go sightseeing, comfortable and also chic. Alright, and here's another really nice summer outfit. This is a romper. So as you know, that means it has the shorts with it. I wore my sneakers with it. And it is so cute and comfortable. It's like a silk feeling fabric. And then it ties in the back. Also guys, I wanted to show off my earrings. I got these from Fashion Nova as well. They were like $1.99. Everything is like $20 or below. It's really, really good deals. They always have really, really good sales and deals. But yep, this is one that I also got that I think is just so cute. Alright guys, this one would be for going out or just sightseeing as well. Probably going out because as you can see it goes all the way to the floor and it kind of just drifts there. I love this slit, and then here is the sandals that I bought for it from Vince Camuto. They're so pretty. Nice and comfortable. And then this is the back. Nice and beautiful and comfortable. I also wanted to point out these earrings. I also got them for Fashion Nova and they go well with the outfit. Look at this flowy dress. It is so beautiful. You can just twirl it and everything, all the stuff that us girls like to do. So this one is hard to get. It's always sold out, so I finally got it. I was able to get it, but these are very, very high popular items on Fashion Nova, so. All right. Okay, here is a nice going out dress for Greece. I just thought this was so beautiful, this detail with the chains, more like links. And then it cascades down to here and then covers the boobies good, but then it has like the nice little shape right here. It's a silky feeling dress. And then here is the back. So it ties in the back and it's just so comfortable. Like I could literally like walk everywhere in this on top of just going out to dinner. And then here are the heels that I just wore. These are just some heels I got on Revolve. And I thought those looked cute with it. Our purse looks very cute with it. Either going like that or going like this. Or going like this. And these are the earrings that I also got from Fashion Nova. I thought they were so cute. They were like $1. So you can look cute, sexy, and chic going on vacation, and you can do it all for a lot less money than regular other stores. Just during the day to go and look at all the sites and all the different islands. There are so many different things to do. Here is the back. And then I got these earrings as well. One of the little diamonds fell out, but it's not a big deal. And they were only, I think, about $3. And they just shine and glisten and just look so beautiful. So this one has a silky feel to it, and it has a slit. And it would be very easy to feel comfortable in. It's nice and loose, but also so beautiful. Alright guys, this is a beautiful white ensemble. I found a lot of different sites that show that a lot of the women there wear white, and it also has this beautiful decoration here. Now this I'm going to keep closed because it just exposes a little bit too much, so I would probably wear something underneath of it, but yep, this is it. It's beautiful. It's got like a textured feeling, like a chiffon feeling. It feels so nice. And that's this one. Alright, here is this one. This is another flowy dress that you can use to also just sightsee or go do so many excursions and things in. It's just so beautiful. I love all the designs and the flowers on it. That's what it looks like. And then these are the earrings that go with it that I bought to go with it, and I love them so much. I think I got them for like maybe $5, but they're absolutely gorgeous. They remind me of how gorgeous Greece is and all the different architecture. So I wanted to mimic that in my fashion as well. This is very comfortable, and it's also lined inside. It has a silky feel on the outside, and this is lace in here. You already know what it is. Alright guys, this is the last one that I'm going to show you. This is part 1. I have a whole other part that I'm going to be showing you, and this is the dress. It reminded me of a sunset or a sunrise, and I really, really liked that. It looks really good with the purse as well. And yes, I will be taking this purse. That's what it looks like in the back. So it's got a lot of detail. It's got a lot of detail in the front as well. I absolutely love this dress. It's just so gorgeous. Literally just reminds you of the sun and everything beautiful. So if you like my content and you like my get readies with me's, you want to see another one, there's another part coming. So please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Anyone who watched to the end, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And also remember to check out the Teddy Blake site, because they have so many purses like this and so many more purses and different types of leather goods that you would absolutely love. So just take a look. They have a sale going on right now. And I appreciate everyone and thank you. And I'll see you in part 2.